In this video, you will learn how to install the upcoming iOS or iPadOS versions that is available as a public beta right now. Open up the Safari browser, search for the Apple Beta software program. So on the beta.apple.com, scroll down a little bit and tap the sign up button. You need to sign in with your existing Apple ID, or you can create a new one here. I need to enter a two-factor authentication code here that is sent to my other devices, the devices that are using the same Apple ID. After verification, it's asking me to trust this browser, so I don't need to do that. So after successful sign in, now I need to tap the download icon at the top right corner and then tap enroll your devices. Next, you need to download profile. Scroll down a little bit and then tap download profile button. Tap allow and then tap close. Now we have successfully downloaded that profile, and the next step is you need to install it. Open up the settings and then here you can see a profile downloaded. Tap that and then tap install at the right top corner. Next you need to enter your passcode. Tap install once again, and now you need to restart your device. So after restarting your device, open up the settings and go to general, then software update. Here you can see iOS 15 public beta 2 is available to download. Tap download and install. Enter the passcode to start downloading it. Agree to the terms and conditions. So as you can see, the update is requested and it will take some time. So this is how you can join the Apple's public beta program to download and install the upcoming version of the softwares. If you have any question, please leave a comment below and please subscribe to my channel.